Hello, in this video I will show you how to curve the text in Capcut PC. So first you need to place the image at the timeline. After that you need to click on the text, pick the default text, drag to the above layer of the image, adjust according to the image, type the desired text, adjust the font size, make it bold. Under the text and basic, scroll down, and here you can see that there is a curve check box. Click on that, and here you can see that the text is curved. On the bottom you can see the strength of the curved text. You can move around the slider and set the strengths according to your preferences. Further, if you want to add some keyframes, so you need to click on this diamond button, and from this point to this point, click on the diamond button again. You need to change the strength, and here you can see that the text is curving from this point to this point. And if you want to change further it, add further keyframe, click on that and change the direction to the circle. So now click on that, check. So you can see that the keyframe is added, and from this point to this point it is circles. And again click on that, click the diamond button and change the slider of the strength. Now play it. So you can see that the keyframes have been added at certain points. So I hope this video helps to understand how to curve the text. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.